Torrential slide generally is a mid-positioned cryptographic money as of now valued at $35.95 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $13.180-966-126 truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Over the very past truly couple of years, digital forms of money, including torrential slide, laid out serious areas of strength for and in the worldwide monetary world and basically are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, in a truly significant way. A few institutional financial backers in any event generally consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against a taking-off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, or so they fundamentally thought. Retail financial backers and brokers in a real sense are somewhat keen on digital currencies, certainly, for example, Avax in light of the fact that this really is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources explicitly have the potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately by and large brief timeframe. These profits certainly are especially out of reach in truly different business sectors, which truly is the justification for why most fundamentally moderate financial backers certainly are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like torrential slide. While the groundbreaking ones essentially give a critical piece of their genuinely cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in a significant manner. At this exceptionally specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of torrential slide to the level at $35.95, where it right now explicitly sits amazingly. As currently referenced, Avax in every practical sense is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 9th spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the very metric still up in the air, by duplicating the very current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in an unobtrusive manner. On account of torrential slide, the market capitalization especially remains at $13.180-966-126. The significance of this boundary will essentially be in every way that really matters, made sense of later, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Our cost expectation calculation is planned in certainly such a manner that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to generally furnish our supporters with the most reliable data on the really present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily survey the condition of their portfolio and by and large choose whether or not it fundamentally needs to especially be reconfigured, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which generally is in every practical sense vital for the very right assessment of both sort of current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its actual present and future heading in an especially significant manner. Underneath you will for the most part find exceptionally key passages of this verifiable information, with the goal that you also could by and large have a comprehension of where the torrential slide market for the most part is going, so at this genuinely specific intersection. The endeavors of all market members carried the cost of torrential slide to the level at $35.95, where it right now especially sits in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday, on January 16, Avax in every way that really matters was esteemed at $35.65 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Truly recollect that digital forms of money in a real sense are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., which is very critical. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period certainly added up to 1.42%, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. 7 days prior, on January 10, torrential slide especially was exchanged at $34.69 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that for the most part near its fundamentally present situation amazingly. On December 17, which especially was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Avax at $40.68, the cost level that truly is at the distance of 11.64% from where it at present in every practical sense stands. The cost of Avax and the readings of CVIX are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, which sort of is very critical. Market capitalization in every practical sense is another significant especially metric that certainly assists traders with essentially deciding the prominence of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in an exceptionally huge manner. It's likewise used to in every practical sense survey the offer that torrential slide explicitly holds inside the whole digital money market, so over the by and large past especially couple of years, digital currencies, including torrential slide, laid out a kind of solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and explicitly are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization sort of is somewhat basic. The flowing stock of the cash being referred to explicitly is increased by its in every practical sense current cost, which truly is genuinely huge. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Avax really remains at $13,180,966,126, enough to name it the ninth outright biggest coin on the digital currency market, so the cost change, rate-wise, over the said period, especially added up to 1.42% in a by and large significant manner. Yesterday, on January 16, the market capitalization of torrential slide in every practical sense remained at $13,072,662,403, which in a real sense shows that at this truly specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of torrential slide to the level at $35.95, where it presently explicitly sits in a quite large manner. 7 days prior, on January 10, the capitalization of Avax really was $12,716,570,442, which sort of is genuinely huge. A month prior, on December 17, how much fundamentally capital streaming around this essentially specific market really added up to $14,884,454,185, kind of additional appearance hit as of the hour of compassing. The market capitalization of Avax remains at $13,180,966,126. Enough to name it the ninth outright biggest coin on the digital currency market, so the cost change, rate-wise, over the said period truly added up to 1.42% incredibly. Most cryptographic money financial backers by and large stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a genuinely certain digital currency and its capacity to generally endure disturbances, which certainly are the especially normal event on this profoundly unstable market. Huge cap the kind of greatest stockpile of torrential slide sort of is 720,000,000 Avax. The sort of complete inventory of Avax presently explicitly remains at 434,696,211 coins in a kind of large manner. The flowing inventory of the digital currency under audit is 366,663,301 Avax, which for the most part is genuinely huge. This torrential slide cost forecast wouldn't actually be fundamentally finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiries, since it's the kind of measurement utilized by basically all cryptographic money dealers to generally affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move, which in a real sense is very critical. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain really is happening on the rear of the exceptionally low exchanging volume, there certainly is a very high likelihood that this move sort